Hi, my name is Anurag Maurya from class 9 and my today's project is on rivers. So, plastic is one of the biggest and major problem in the world in the today's present time. But no one is taking it seriously. Also, it is very harmful for our aquatic lifestyle, river and our beautiful scenario of the river. So, I have designed and planned a fully functional and practical step to clean it. First, we will set up floating barriers which will stop the plastic flowing into the rivers and will be collected in an area by the floating barrier. Then we will use such type of collector which rotate on the flow of river because of the Archimedes screw present in it, and it will lift up the garbage inside as in the image you can see. And it is dual functional project because it clean the river and at a time by the rotation of the Archimedes screw it generate electricity. It is low cost, simple and eco-friendly project, and the final project will look like this. Thank you for sponsor.